up and make me feel all inside. All I got was a trail of disappointment. It never measures up to what I had in mind. This isn't what I wanted. Who knew that love could be this hard? Too many expectations. In the end, I never seen them measure up. Where is the rule to help me figure out what I'm supposed to be doing now? Haven't had a love that's cut me off guard. Taking these ahead, doesn't ask for more. It's a love that keeps giving, not demanding. Though I feel I have nothing to say for. This is a love that's different. Please help me understand how I could be deserving when I just don't measure up.
Please tell me how I can measure up. I'm having trouble with the past, feeling out of luck. With all this time that has passed, I need to reconstruct. You say your love is the answer, but I'm just a man. Can't tell the truth, always rather help me understand why I find myself longing for approval, trying to find the answers up on Google, looking for the meaning of renewal. You say your love is crucial, but I'm a fool, thinking I could do this on my own, fighting every battle, thinking I was all alone. And it was you that always stayed by my side, even when I choose to believe my lies,
Where is the rule to help me figure out what I'm supposed to be doing now? Where is the rule to help me figure out what I'm supposed to be doing now?
See, I've been searching for black and white answers, as if there's some kind of rule book to love. The truth is, there is no rule book. We try to draw straight lines around an infinite truth that is impossible to be confined. We live to perform and please and measure up to expectations set in our own minds. But true love doesn't fit inside our neatly drawn lines. He operates by irrational rules.